Welcome to this tutorial on downloading and configuring Respondus. Respondus is a Windows-only application that allows you to create and manage tests and test questions that can be printed to paper or published directly to Blackboard. This tutorial will walk you through the steps of downloading the Respondus installer, running the installation, and configuring the license information. The Respondus installer is located inside Blackboard. Make sure you are on the My WKU-BB page and locate the Respondus module. Then click the Respondus for Campus link. Keep this page open as you will need to access this information later to complete the configuration process. Navigate to a location where you can find the file and click Save. Locate the installer file and click to launch it. In my case, I used Chrome to download the file, so it shows up in the lower left. If you used a different browser, then you will need to access the installer a different way. You will not need to make changes to the default installer settings. Click Next. Click Next. Click the I accept the terms of the license agreement radio button, then click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. When asked, do you want to install Respondus Equation Editor, click Yes. You will not need to make changes to the default settings, so click OK. Click Yes so the installer can create the correct folder. When the Equation Editor completes installation, click OK. Click Finish to complete the Respondus installation. Locate the Respondus launch icon on your desktop and double-click it to start the application. You will be prompted to complete the license configuration. You will need the information from the Blackboard page where you downloaded the installer file. The institution name will be Western Kentucky University. The local support contact will be listed here. This information may change from time to time, so be sure you use the name on the Blackboard page at the time you install the software and not the name in this video. The installation password should be copied so you can paste it into the Respondus window. The installation password expires each July 31st. You should use the value located on the Blackboard page at the time you install the software and not the value in this video. Also, on or after August 1 each year, you will need to retrieve the new installation password so you can update your software and continue to use it. After you copy the installation password, return to the Respondus window. Now I can add the institution name, local support contact name, and paste in the installation password. Once all the fields have been filled in, click License. Click the Close button. Your Respondus software should now be properly installed and configured. If you have questions or need further assistance, please contact the ITS Service Desk at 270-745-7000 or online at wku.edu/its.